Hey, how's it going today? And I'm going to do a video on how to make this kind of mirrored text in Vegas Pro. Actually, I was trying to do this in another program that's actually fairly sophisticated, and I was really struggling with it. And I was like, hey, wait a minute, I could do that in Vegas Pro, I think, really easy. So I thought I'm just gonna do a quick video on this because this is too much. But I hope it's not too easy. But let me go. I start with just 3 video tracks here, and I just go to solid color here. We're on the what tab are we? Is that's media generator? Yeah, media generator tab, solid color. Let's just do red, something a little different. Okay, and I'll bring this, actually I'll put this down on the bottom track like that. Then we'll simply go into our legacy text, and there's this one here, and we just click and drag that, put it like that. You hit Control A, and I actually like this font. I don't know if anybody else likes it, but it's called Ethnocentric. I don't know, that's not a good thing, is it? I'm gonna type in Vegas, because what else would I type in? That's that. And now all we got to do is we're going to right click and copy this clip right here. Go to the second track, and we're going to go paste and say OK. Then this is where it gets easy. Now there's actually 2 of them. You can't see them, but if you click on pan crop right there. Now if you right click here in the pan crop window, you have an option to go flip vertical, so you do that. And actually that's kind of some cool looking thing if I'm actually looking at it. If you come over here and you click this move tool, you can just move in Y only so it doesn't get off course, and then you just pull down, and there you go like that. And then oops, you can also use the arrow keys. I always use the arrow keys. And then the last little thing you got to do is you're going to come into FX here, and you're going to go to Gaussian blur, and you're going to go add, okay, and there you go. That might be too much blur for you, and what I found is easier to do is just type in numbers. So you might try 0.02 on the horizontal and 0.02 on the vertical, and there you've got your mirrored text. It's that simple. And you know, you can also, if you wanted to spice it up, you could zoom in on it if you wanted. You could just save this out as a well, you got a choice here. You can save it out with the JPEG or PNG, and if you save it out with as a PNG, you get an alpha channel, which is sometimes very helpful. But you can just save it out as an image there, and if you go save, it'll pop up here, and now you've got it as a still image that you can use for anything in any program for any purpose, or email it to somebody if you want. And believe it or not, that's it. It's amazing the things you can do with Vegas. I'm in a lot of other programs, and I keep thinking, how can I do this in Vegas? And it actually is a lot easier half the time. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. I hope it wasn't too easy, and I'll talk to you later.